As we continue with the PSL Grand Prix, we've got F2 against Santa Lucia sa araw na ito. Macandili hits the floor and it rolls over. Lastimosa was there. Quick snap and 2 points on the board for Santa Lucia.
Ganda. Yan yung sinasabi natin.
Anong coach nila, yun yung mga games na bumubuo ng karakter. At ito, gumapang sa net. That one. In the meantime, Macandili, the recipient. This strike. Oh! Solid. Hindi lang naitaas ng libero. Here's Baron serve. The set. Oh, good set. Yes. Tapos ng mga imports ngayon ng dalawa. No? Either strong and solid or very lean. No? Mahaba.
Minsan nga, alam natin ang payat nito. Parang hindi siya malakas pumalo. Pero
set ni Becca. Back row strike on target.
Talagang itong Santa Lucia, ang dami nilang options.
It matters pag kulang. Parang ang hirap ng coaches. Oh! Diniinan ni Baron.
Gigil na gigil si Majoy Baron sa pagkakataon na yun. Ang kamay na pinaluan eh. O, ngayon, alam ko na kung saan ko papapuntahin.
Exactly. Good point. In the meantime, Baron zips it over.
Gaya ng ginawa ni Majoy Baron.
Baron is trying to dominate that middle. Sometimes, second set pa din.
Ibig sabihin ng talaga
lumabad yung PLDT kahit pa paano. In the meantime, Astero knocking it in from the right wing. Baka ni Loman at ni Maranyo. Ito po si Fardo. Hinanap. Kanto!
Kanto ang palo.
Iniba ng konti kay Ara mo na binigay katindig. Managing to look at high. And that is rejected. If you're F2, you're smiling. You escaped with a 25-21 first set win against a pesky opponent. Walang nakatira to sa neighborhood na yun eh. No? Talagang nabinutasan nila. Ito, pinaluan. Yes.
Wala na magagawa. Move on agad.
Wala naman challenge sa round na ito. Samantala, set 25-21. And that is an open spot.
Michelle Morente. Pag tumalon si Michelle, talagang explosive eh.
Nice set. Maranyo's rejected.
Nabantayan na. Ibig sabihin nun, move on, then magandang patay. Clear, malinis na patay, sabi.
Oh, like in this case, door slam by Santa Lucia.
Sabi natin, malinis na patay.
Clear communicator si Coach Castillo, kaya nagkakaintindi. Oh, another jam!
Kaya nagsabi ni Coach, kailangan mo lang mag-focus.
That time by Perry. Villanueva rejected!
Kwenta Santa Lucia.
Oh! Nagising itong Santa Lucia. Regalo. Naipit. Pinas. Oh, hindi ready yung back row. Down the middle we go!
Tingnan nyo ang replay. Nawala yung blocker itong Santa Lucia.
Nailaro pa rin. Tinaas. Morente recycle. Tinaas. Regalo! Hold up and die. You're at least plugging away. This is a wow! Really solid shot. And that ends the set. Napapawaw ka na lang kung minsan. After a while, huli mo na yung pitik na tama eh. Pero kung bihira mong gagawin, kasi sa practice, nainis ka dyan eh. Back row. Gulat galang. Huli. Covered well. Nice pickup. Playable. This could take a while. Down the middle. Easily handled. Oh! Chang-Abi!
Iba talaga ang Chang-Abi Maranyo.
Program. Nice fake. Oh, lungsot. Mukhang bitin pero lungsot. Make do situation. If we run around the roses, dim, tip, gone.
Talagang kumakapit pa rin itong Santa Lucia.
Oo. Hindi nila master pa ito, no? Yung quick na yan. Oh, Loman ended up empty-handed there. Action, we've got a furious exchange going on. 22-16. Nicely done by Maraguinot against the block. Regalo. Naku, tinusukan and we're done. Can't take anything away.